again, to save as much weight as possible, I drilled a lot of holes into the wooden panels. The refrigerator is a CD30 by Dometic. To make it fit perfectly under my bed construction, I needed to move its compressor to the side. The bottom part of the rock and roll bed is equipped with two heavy-duty slides. They extend the bed up to 200 cm after adding an additional pad. The rear piece of my rock and roll bed is connected to the frame via hinges moving on drawer slides, so that as it folds up to form the backrest, it also creates room for the mattress.